Hi there! Let's check out this new cool feature on BAMS Effects called Collections and create one. Let's head to the tracks section of the website and start looking for whatever we need. There's a scene in my game that's taking place in a forest by night, so I'm gonna search for that. I get 2 pages of results. I might want to narrow it down to, let's say, non-fantasy. And of course I want to loop it and have it around 1 minute. There you go. Once you find some tracks that you're interested in, you can add them to your collection by just clicking on this little collection plus sign. I also need aggressive monster sounds. Let's look for that. Alright, let's add some of those cool sounds. Perfect! I want some magic in my game too, so let's look for that. This one's nice. Alright, I like this one too. Now let's have a look at our cart and see how much all of this costs. $5, that's really cheap. Oh, by the way, I can also name my collection. My game is called The Quest, so I'm just going to call the collection The Quest. I still have some points left. Let's keep shopping. Some more monster sounds. A couple of thunder strikes. Perfect! Now that I have everything I need just for $5, I just want to proceed to checkout. Nothing easier. Click on checkout. I can double check my list of tracks, and when I'm ready, I just proceed to the payment. And then I just need to go to my dashboard and download all my tracks. And here they are. I now have all the tracks on my computer. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can also check out our collection templates. Like this one, the guns collection for example. And one of my favorites, jetpacks. And you can customize them yourselves by removing or adding some tracks. Voila! Now it's your turn to create your own collection.